Umbetu Sami, Omunka, Turmika, Oma na aba, Dom Trown, and Bayalia. Me ba nesi ni bin kanchera me say yentwa ne kantu ohwe me ba me bona sum na makoje
mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frame me adwoa searching ebusuafo ena no ye wo Ghana ha ena nurses fo eto ho egu embonten eye demonstration na omo how yinane say aban no afọ mo adwumem omo aye adwuma omo aketu emba abandada we ba yoko 1 year omo foka wo rent wo dware wo sra wo bibia wo didi anka omo awofo omo ko school ya omo awofo atiti omo morema ahwe omo na anka omo so be adwuma no omo support omo parents kakra no abane se omo ska no ntu omo do omo go parliament house etu omo ho ka every month nurses we etu egu abonten na nurses demonstration omo ye yi a raise concern be Ghana fu be na eji omo atabanya asem kecho na this particular woman ya otonwade ojomi watitia ma omo wa mo warning say demonstration mo aye na atwem de nenso mo njai kasa mo nurses fu mo ye mofra boni nipa podefo NDC abanya party omo ba mo no wonfa mo adwuma wo fa mo adwuma mu nso mo ye adwuma wontua mo ka ena mpanifo ne kire se omo ahu bi da ehu no bi painting na aboasrewa ogege ne background we agine ni ato nchen nurses fu ese se asrewa ne jeje omo background so omo yo omo ani eto nchen ya wondo wo hu yo omo beji ala wano so omo beto abaneti NPP inform ho nka won coat na kan won shirt ye beto abaneti his excellency and Addo danko Akufo-Addo adanya or the drone aba e deliver blood e wo hospitals kwa another hospital eco service so ade na Addo ba no obeto ambulances e ma o manga na every constituency bia adanya na Addo ba no of nurses fu adwumem si aban bi obaso bia otu omo alawa etu omo working pay kan ho for salaries kan ho and one pet into ombe 20 NPP yes you yate no mkotu NPP na wose wode Mahama reba kwenkwen Addo reba kwenkwen Mahama o kwenkwen oya ajinkwa kwenkwen na chese ajinkwa na oba yehu hwio yehu ye left from your right so bia ye basa ena nurses we want you wonka yo ena ma me fu ise mo se yetu mo fu na se mo ampena mo akoto amende sitia se mo anye dina mo ko demonstration bi wa mo be di mo ni twase na ono ma me na chese ne ba yare na ode ne ba hospital na nurse ni dia ba ye se won hwe no be boboso because once ma se koto amende NDC won tu amonka yeti ese na ensam no esi ekoye
NDC aban onye hute ontimi nyete se na Akufo-Addo aba Foon no mato no so munima o mato aba Foon sesese anese froso dori echi anda kakara wonya ne ma metwa ase se wo manje jimi na o mugina online esu na ekoye di wo mbefa so o mbeto wo sami o munka wo mu turumika o ma ba na aba no do mo ntra wo na mba yale a me ba nesi ni bi nkankyere me se yentwa ne kantu ohwe me ba me bona sum na makoje NDC aban onye hute ontimi nyete se na Akufo-Addo aba Foon no mato no so munima o mato aba Foon sesese anese froso dori echi anda kakara wonya ne ma metwa ase se wo manje jimi na o mugina online esu na ekoye di wo mbefa so o mbeto wo sami o munka wo mu turumika o ma ba na aba no do mo ntra wo na mba yale a me ba nesi ni bi nkankyere me se yentwa ne kantu ohwe me ba me bona sum na makoje
ebi kura na yawo bakura che mpe tini yawo mini mama mu nti we obetu ye ana no obetu aso obetu light no obetu aso no ne mrenta na yenya na ne senta ye danyame aso aka ye danyame aso abebu fun se we se bebu de ebe hu nya no aso nya ye ko ya dana se ne mo medie aka me nko a wayade
Omia na wayade
omia ya pa kokromoti ni ya na yedidi ho wanto bi akokromoti ya na yedidi ye kokromoti meme nsawe ontimi ntwaduane ma me nsawe ontimi ntwaduane ma me ne mabusuafo nsawe ba ya na yetoye yesi ye pe enti we die omma yem fie ni yem na moja mela onyere ye omma emunya de nchanwe Oma mu ya di nchen we. Ya da na se bebre. Ba bi odi aduro ne yepene sa. Angu washe.
I was on for one on because saying, for one year, would you call better saying, what I said?
3 weeks near 1 month in Mentor did that. The Didi, the top of Truku, but the Koba
1 month.
Now, open a 2 day 1 bucket.
About yourself,
Mentor, dear, Mr. Say, Shamina, Minamadu, Yanto, Yantadia, also say a party.
Mama, the way the Oba way they way to my papa, obey my town, obey
Ti Jimmy. Ya boda man ko samayen. Ba ye Jimmy ntin, emi ye duro ntin, omi ayen. Ya da na se. Urade. Mame, omi ayen. Omi aye pa. We the comedies for 2-3 years going. Yeah, funny is in your be funny level. And no trade any see why a friend compo. A see se compo. I said, we 3 mumu to say, Mumma touching na. I want to be walk see any. So what to about papa? Into where dear, a comedy see a danase. Name on my young queen, you more. Momia pa. Omia. Omiama wow show winti. Who could be asia now? Se Togo na abefo, Yarga na abefo, Burkina na abefo, Yendi na abefo na oko. Inti we kura de comedies. Me de amedana se pa. Why are you?
No, mama, oh, GD say, Nami had money 3 years I can do any media.
Oh, you best succeed. You best succeed pa. Oh, you best succeed. Young. What about us oko? No what does any person fast walk. Wo de any person fast walk. Inti wa be wu na oko. Ewo. Agurade wallahi ya bari mu kura wajaya kura wajaya me usina kasama kasafiti amno pako menyimiri Allah wanga ya papa ya danase omi yanko na sa na so jaya no ma ya ho goya ya be jimi makazo se jimi ni eto dam de weduro obi ko ya frane sa asalama oboda ma ye manaturu bajimi de ya sa akra wunte menne into amma yen onyere ye amma emunya de nchenwe amma emunya de nchenwe ya da na se de baby odi edro ne yepene sa
the blessings na yakopon de ma wo na wo betina akonwa no so no or the oba say be see the cathedral no man because against all odds and I'll buy this cathedral man. The me catch us a time is eluding you. Every single second there baby that time no elude. Na Bible chire say woma Yakopon shomo so munye bibi ma mo manye. The curses go from generation to generation. But omo beji Yakopon di aye no so the blessings goes from generation to generation.
But lawyer, sorry for butting in. Ebia, who said and said you say areas the global village obi be call the internet no so. Na we could read the near maybe why na yen kiosa near man ejina. 6 July, that was in the month of July. Obi a post to and I think rightly so because and also obosu eka honse. Obi readina or say President John Mahama has announced that the abandoned National Cathedral site will be converted into a National Cultural Convention Center. The new center will feature a multi-purpose arena, amphitheater, exhibition pavilions, and a creative economy hub. This forms part of his 24-hour economy plan to promote Ghana's culture, arts, sports, and tourism. So this is posted on the net. Yeah, National Cathedral, say, Ena, Omateni, and also Bedaneno, at the
well, yet say, be a council, be Sandino. Last time, Minister of Local Government and Religion, the Koi or say, no, be so person done no be 250 million. Yes, see, they are done no higher. So, we see some unity be a mom, say, honey, a pastor enough, the economy, the annual mafia floor. Yatiti say, be brave. And so, President, into the new to you. say be a me person me di we and as me pidi we said the time we to the new to and so call and say can say yes stay here forensic audit time them na nya adwene that forensic audit ya we on to the new to say president when you found on to the new say okay baby ya drum national cathedral ya to aso ne obi ante ne ho ase okay
but last week what one say was an boso national cathedral before the press says still issue
no make say issue ya ye bebre and a national cathedral and board near a company limited by guarantee. In 2 person who go to cry and that's person yes or court na coach so my bonibia no my new maybe and fata. And send a court na ma kwan say yeah. Into most of the time and some now mo kekano. And in your man no mu to go abonti hosano. Ah na asifim kakra. Ye nyina maybe the menye dwuma ma ban. But omo mo ya ban ni nyina omo ya dwuma because of emranti and omo ya dwuma ma ayi the constitution nti ese amanfo di emra no so na omo hu say okay a creature we say netie nti say ne say deal with him nti president on to na news office national cathedral for na aye boni bi ana bibia koso ho enye yi a o ma attorney general nko court na nko fa na asem koto na yenso yenfa ye answer enko ho ye wie na say yentuma ene say ne yakotru but behind all that no so no yes you see national cathedral no cathedral it means something in the Bible bibi baby ye sum nyame na national cathedral na yes it's a particular one apart from cathedral na kase nyoma bebre Bible museum ene nyoma bebre o ha ebebo Christopher ni omo person ye research omo bo omo nim Christo sum papa na person hu ko betuma kwa research ho it a monumental ibi ayesi I been go for years and years, hundreds of years. Grab a cornice that's so. To say the Oko England, the sa first world year. But we no monument, be you we a cathedral. Yes, we King James Church. You see, yane. You father the abo. You see that's which na one. It's in a no moment there. Say na president say me the president na come because yatete. Say no na position say you find baby a baby see or the Nyankopon sorry down. Yenfanye cultural center and the rest of it which I be Ghana ha everyone need the rest president Bitman develop so person develop on it here and you said president Nankasa
but as the lawyer for the cathedral a woman almost invitable for investigations and answer it's because they clarify no be who last time we buy who said yes cathedral or I say yes support a monumental to be manunko waste but ABOB will fear na what it is you are the crowd one shot normal a diverted the IAB before from said a war with internet here are you being because Deloitte and Tush I think I got it right.
Yes.
KPNG also washishim. And today what exactly?
So far as I'm concerned, who says you should be out because it is even more than a forensic audit. We are very complicated operations. Years and years and years. First complicated into by forensic audit. Maybe who say it is a way. Kiana kiasi epe bibi. Adwene ya na esi epe bibi. Nieka.
Give a dog a bad name and hang it.
And na just say what would you obey? Me the sana me hunu mo personally or my personal opinion. But if it is not also there, then let us see quickly because ya now ye were
Ben court see how you tell me
court but say what your state operatives, some of your investigations of corruption, disbursement, security and no. Yeah, Omako, a friend saying, OSP, corruption. OSP be seen, Otimi Fashion my. Now, if it's OSP will be you or one government.
Oh, until 7 o'clock,
OSP, I will use NIB. NIB, and then say, cry, I'm afraid you're quiet. I'm quiet. Yeah, intimidate. When a lawyer, and then I'm starting to me practice law. My criminal law, sir, the master best corporate, na civil, na nyoma. So my firm kakra, I have the experience and the competence to be able to tell. I haven't seen anything. Into no, sir, delay and the rest of it. National Cathedral has got contracts with contractors. The delay is having an adverse effect on the contractors because they cannot wait forever.
Oh, okay.
They cannot wait forever. And it's a employee be a delay. Say they be a contractors no because okay near their total. Yeah, because you need to be busy. But even that, there are consequences. There are consequences of breach of contract. I just say I was say National Cathedral no e ko pesika di kotuatua. Omoka. Enti yesre. Ya de ehu se bibie ni ho. Enti se bibi wo hokura po na say obi nipa de se ni bi no waye bibi. Yeti isolate as a minister bi is we isolating here the court. It does not mean that the project should stop and out to the maker say. I minister is a project in Ijina. So obi na awies ka oha and obi na aye bibia. Ajira wo ka say the preamble and the beginning of the project was wrong. It is not right in law. It is not right in any law in this country, and therefore the projects must cease. But so we can say, yeah, forensic audit to what? Forensic audit to what? Is it to find out that somebody did something wrong or somebody embezzled funds? If even it's to that, the person must be held accountable. Whilst the cathedral, goes on, Ajay who contest it with the mere existence of the cathedral. That is a separate matter. And so to the maker here, yes, that is a separate matter. And I don't think that is what the president is doing. It's the president, all my cathedral and koso.
But have you been asking questions? To what end?
Yeah, we say a lot of questions. The other day, a local government minister, because we are 99.9% of it, man. From 2022, ABC 9 months.
On the year Cathedral, 99.9.
2022, I raise and your money almost almost train. BC 9 months into this time. Why are 99.9%? Debbie, Mr. Minister, in fact, what you are doing is you are delaying. You need to share 2 times.
The current minister under this administration, local government.
You need to share 2 times. The time is going.
Oh, yes, Edgeman.
So I
had a 99.9%
of Addo. Me sure say it is Mr. Minister. A government to Namutu. Someone person you cathedral ni biamonka. Na sa delay it has consequences. The consequences in breach of contract, breach of agreements, which raises huge sums of money in terms of damages and the rest of it. But
for the layman OT will feel ABI cancel said me intro now be kind no one can no question the border is so some people believe say it's not for the state. Yes, and then yes state
and no credit. And then you can who be no can say the be on be good who fi say the be on be no and no credit. So